If you want to move files within your Google Drive folders, then what you can do is you can simply click and drag around the item onto the folder, and that's it. You just click and drag it inside the folder. Similarly, you can select multiple files and then drag it inside the folder as well, just like this. So click and drag it and everything has been moved. You can go inside the folder and then you can bring everything back out by clicking and dragging the file and then choosing the folder, the parent folder up over here on the top. And then it goes back out, as you can see. You can go inside, click and drag everything right here, and then do the same to bring it back out. And just like that, everything, all the files have been moved back out. You can select everything right here, right click and choose Move To as well. You can also select another folder just like this. Right click and then click on Move To and then choose the folder that appears. So you can see that a menu appears. Choose the folder you want to move in the files to, so click on Move and then the files is moved inside. You want to move them back out using the same method. You can click and drag all of the files that you want to move out, right click and then click on Move To until the menu pops up, and then you go back right here onto the drive just like that, and then move it back out just like that. And those are the ways on how you can move files within your Google Drive. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.